everyone, Sophia here for my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel and my little mini jungle here. You are in my bedroom. You know that. Look at how, you haven't seen it in a while, I know that. But look at how much my plants are thriving. I got the big one here. I got this one that's new. I have a whole bunch in the bathroom. It's one of those weird things, like they say it, once you get a plant you can't just get one. Okay, got this new one right here, but anyway, welcome to the bedroom. Today is a big day. Today is the grand opening of my little library, and if you're on Facebook and Instagram you already saw what it looks like because I finished it yesterday. I didn't film anything, I just wanted to get it done. It took about 6 hours to finish the whole thing. So I'm going to tell you what I did as I am showing you footage of it. So what did I do with the little library? Well, one of my concerns with the little library was that I felt that it was a little top heavy and I didn't have enough support on top of the post. So what I did was install those, I'm going to call them Y brackets or whatever you call them. I put 4 of them, but I didn't want it to look too unsightly, so I put pieces of wood in front of it that I cut at an angle, and that allows the top to really stay solid on top of the post. So that's a good reinforcement. Then at the bottom, I felt that I needed something to make sure the post really stays there. I didn't want it to sway. I didn't want it to move in any fashion whatsoever. So the best solution was to build a planter. And this is what I did. And these are actually stair threads that I purchased at the Home Depot. They're super heavy. They are treated wood. And I just bought 2 and then cut them where I would have 2 long side and 2 short side, and grab some other wood that I had in the garage. And what I did with this one is that I put a partition in it, and I added foam on the one side where the pole is. So that side of the planter, I can't really plant anything. It's got dirt on top of it to hide the foam, and I put the bunny on top of it. That's a street find as a library guardian, right? So I can't really plant anything there, but the other side of it is deep, a good 1.5 feet worth of planting space. So what I'll do is seasonally I'll change stuff. So I'm gonna probably put some bulbs in there. I gotta find them at the store, so that in the spring I'll have narcissus coming out of it, and then in the summer I'll probably put begonias or impatiens, since they're like, well, impatiens, that's too much sun for them. I gotta think. Maybe geranium, whatever, or mint. I could do mint, so that way people can grab some mint and books. And then in the fall, it's too late for now, I could put a mum or some big cabbage. And then in the winter for Christmas, I plan on putting a little Christmas tree there with the lights. It's gonna be so cute. Anyway, so this is what I did. I did a planter at the bottom and I reinforced the post. I painted everything. My neighbor Beth came out and she says, "Is this a little library?" And I said, "Yeah." She said, "My God, it's so cute." And she was very happy because she said that she doesn't know what to do with all her books. And so she's gonna bring a lot of books to the library. So I'm happy, and Ed, the neighbor on the other side, is happy too. So everybody's happy, I'm happy. I'm gonna do my grand opening today. So let's go and shop for books. All right, well, you've been here before. This is my to be read that kind of grew a bit, a little bit. These are my regular to be read, and over here is all the books I've read so far since the beginning of the year. About 7 or 8 of them that I need to review for a book review on Patreon, but because I did one already a couple of months ago, and it was quite successful actually. People liked it. But I realized that I don't really need to have the physical book with me to do that. So this I just finished. That was all right. This one, I gotta be honest, I didn't like. I just didn't. Sorry. Oh yeah, the wood's not done yet. You notice I haven't done the floor yet, right? Okay. It's the 6th of November. I said I was going to do it on the 12th. This was very good. Not as good as the first one. This was fun. This was good. This one here, that was terrible. I hated it. That was really bad. This was a big surprise. Really, really big surprise. I thought I was hating it at the beginning. I was like, oh my God, another Prince of Tides type book. And it turned out to be a major, major twist. And it was really good. This, I couldn't finish it. Terrible. This was very good, but very dark. This was very good. This is the first one in that series. I just finished Black Country. The first one was much better, but this was still very, very good. I like those. I like those. This was excellent. I love Cassandra Clare. Terrible, terrible, excellent. Read this. This was very good. Okay, so I'm letting go of all of those. These are all the books I read since February or March, I think. But I'm keeping this one. I can only encourage everybody to read Dragonfly. This book moved me in many, many ways, and it has made it to my top 10 of all times. With Memoirs of a Geisha and other books. I should talk about my favorite books, but anyway, this was amazing. I absolutely love this book. So this one I am keeping. Oh look, all my Napoleon books are there. So that's batch one. That's gonna go in the library downstairs. I gotta find a bag, and then I gotta go and shop around in Willie's room. Trying to see here if Scott is willing to donate to the little library.
No.
No? No?
I don't think so.
Okay. Pass.
Yeah, maybe.
Never mind.
I don't think I ever look at this one.
Historic military aircraft? Okay.
Yeah, I don't ever look at that.
All right. Thank you for your donation.
Got some books.
Oh, you got books?
Yeah.
I was in Willie's room. What you got? What we buy? Absolutely not. Beyond Soap, Water, and Calm. These are all my... Hey! No! Put that back. These are my books. I don't declutter your stuff. Don't declutter my stuff. This is actually pretty good. Every woman should know. Stuff every woman. And then this one. You went into my etiquette book, Manners Made Easy. This one is from 50... It's 48 or 51. Hold on. 54. How dare you?
I'm just kidding.
Okay. All right. So Willie's already letting go. This one right here.
I don't know why I have it.
Well, these are all the books I had bought you when you were a kid and you weren't reading them. This one, your dad is going to want to keep it because of the graphics. You should look at the graphics on this. This is an excellent book. Stinky Cheese Man and the Fairly Stupid Style. You want to let go of that?
Yeah, most of these are children's books, so...
Alright, take that. Louis and the Dodo. Again, great graphics, Mr. Artist.
Well, I mean, didn't you put some of these in here because Dad, wanted to keep them?
Yeah, hold on to this one. Let me open it. Look, you always do graphic design. You could use some of that for inspiration. They're very well done. You know?
Okay.
I know that your dad wanted to keep those because of the graphics. Okay, we'll find something, don't worry. The Free Ninja Pigs, that was one of your favorite.
Was it?
Yes.
I don't remember that.
Really?
No, I do not.
You want to let it go?
Yeah.
Again, great graphics.
Yeah, I'll get rid of it.
Alright. Hey, listen, they're your books, okay?
Yeah.
Abe Lincoln's Dream?
Yeah, get rid of that. I never read it.
Okay.
Half of these I don't remember.
Tales of Mystery and Madness. Oh no, these are the ones that you like. What's his name?
Edgar Allan Poe.
No. There was a book that you absolutely love. What was the name of it? These are the ones we're keeping for the kids. What was it? I even read it to you in school. These are the Pokemon. You remember I went over to your school and I read it for you and all of the other kids?
I remember you doing that, but I don't remember the name.
What did we do with it? Alright, Roald Dahl, you want to keep those, right?
I don't care.
You don't?
No.
Okay, let's have other kids enjoy them then. Okay, here, take those. Okay. What do you want to do with that series right here?
No, keep it.
You keep it?
Yeah,
okay.
Most of it was good until the last one. That one was boring.
What's going on over here?
Miscellaneous stuff, I'll be real.
Okay, so?
Well, I kind of want to read this graphic novel, so...
Look, Journey to the Center of the Earth. You got it twice. Let's get rid of that one. What did you say?
I like the, I want to get into reading this one, so I guess keep it.
Keep it? Okay. Zelda, you keeping?
Yes.
What's going on over here?
A lot of stuff is happening. I'm getting rid of this.
What is that?
It's this. No use for it, honestly. All these characters have the exact same face.
Okay. Alright, so you're letting that go. Alright.
Yeah, it's kind of bad already.
What about over here? What's going on here?
Again, miscellaneous.
Oliver Twist? I just saw Oliver Twist.
Yeah.
Alright, we got it twice. Alright, let's go of this one. Okay. And I guess that's it. Alright, we're leaving your brother alone. Because he's not going to want to get... Pokemon? You're keeping all Pokemon, right?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, if only I could remember the name of that book. You absolutely loved it. There's a Diary of a Wimpy Kid. You want to let go of that one? Since you let go of all the other ones?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. These we're keeping. Kevin and Hobbes we're keeping. Alright. Oh, here's another Roald Dahl. Oh, you have all of them.
No, I don't. There's definitely a lot that I don't.
And you read them all, right?
No.
Which one did you not read?
Most of them?
Get out of here. What would I get rid of? Put them back.
Okay.
Let go of the ones you haven't read.
You mean I have read?
He's terrible. He doesn't want to read. He doesn't like to read.
It's boring.
Yeah, alright. These are all the ones you didn't read. That's most of them. You're terrible.
It's boring.
Okay, Monkey J.
Yeah, I read that one.
You want to let go?
I'll keep it.
Oh, okay. Alright, tell me why.
Because I have the rest of the series and it feels weird to not have them all. I even have the very, very, very bad prequel.
Okay,
The
alright.
prequel was not good.
What is this?
D&D Dice Roller. I stole it from... My friend said I could borrow it, and then I never gave it back.
Could you please give it back to him?
Sure.
That's not how we function in life, okay?
That's how I function in life.
Yeah, alright. Well, we're gonna have a talk about that. Okay, so you're done.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's not too bad. Okay, so we're letting go of all of this?
Mhm.
Alright. Let me go downstairs. It's starting to rain. I got my little ribbon going on, and guess what? There we go. Ta-da! Little library is officially open. So now I'm going to park myself in the dining room and watch people and see how they like the books. This is a great idea. Go to the littlefreelibrary.org. You can buy the kits. I'll put the link down below, and you can build your own like I did and get the plaque with your charter number, and that would be it. I'll talk Talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.